Welcome to our video comparing two of MSI's gaming power supplies, the MAG A550BN and the MAG A850GL. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, features, and which one might be the best fit for your gaming setup. Let's dive into the details. The MSI MAG A550BN provides a power output of 550 watts, which is suitable for less demanding systems. In contrast, the MSI MAG A850GL offers a robust 850 watts, making it ideal for high-end gaming setups that require more power for demanding components. This significant difference in wattage can impact your system's performance, especially if you're planning to use high-performance graphics cards or multiple components. When it comes to cable management, the MSI MAG A550BN features a non-modular design, which can make cable organization a bit challenging. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A850GL is fully modular, allowing users to connect only the cables they need for their setup. This not only improves airflow within the case, but also enhances the overall aesthetic by reducing cable clutter. Energy efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The MSI MAG A550BN is rated 80+ bronze, indicating reasonable energy efficiency. In contrast, the MSI MAG A850GL boasts an 80+ gold certification, which means it operates more efficiently, resulting in lower electricity bills and less heat generation. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for gamers who run their systems for extended periods. In conclusion, both the MSI MAG A550BN and the MSI MAG A850GL have their strengths. The A550BN is a budget-friendly option for less demanding systems, while the A850GL is perfect for high-performance builds. Depending on your needs and budget, choose wisely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.